Hey y'all, it's Bitty Boo. Today I have another review for y'all, and it's called an intelligent visual ear picker. It's a wax remover for your ear. This video is going to get a little gross, so if you have a weak stomach, don't watch. Alright, what comes in the deal is your product manual. It tells you how to download everything and pretty much how to use it. What it does is it sends the image to your smartphone. And I'm going to tell you right now, it takes a little bit getting used to look through the screen of your phone into your ear. So y'all are going to get my first time trying it. And yeah, it was a little nerve-wracking at first. It comes with your little scope. It's got a little power button on it right here. It'll light up blue. You hold it down to turn it off. Comes with a bunch of little ear scoops. It is rechargeable. It comes with a little cord. It comes with all these little gadgets here. Let me try to get it open. Let's see, it's a Quilizzo. It's got a little brush to clean your gadget. It's got that little dude right there. I'm not really sure what that's for yet. That's to help get earwax out. That is a wax scooper. Another little wax scooper. Oh, let me fix this back. And it comes in this little handy case. It also comes with these brushes. The brushes are in kind of rough shape. They came that way, so come in a little bag like that. I do not get any commission whatsoever from the products I show you. I was just asked to review them. I get the product for free. So, with that said, I'll try to hold the camera still so y'all can see inside my ear. So, it records the Hold on. It records what goes on inside your ear. So get ready, y'all. That's so disgusting. And yes, I did get a little bit of wax out of my ear right there. Disgusting, right? So yeah, I did get a little bit of wax out of my ear. This thing would have been amazing when my kids were little. They were all the time sticking stuff in their ears. And having earaches, oh my gosh. Man, if we'd have had these when I was a kid, I just wonder how many earaches it would have saved me. That you see that lights up, you can see exactly what's going on in the ear. And you can use those little tools. No, you're not supposed to put nothing sharp in your ears, but these are not sharp. You do not go very deep, okay? Do not go down to the eardrum because you can rupture your eardrum. But this little dude is nice. I like it. Oh, if I can turn it off. I will put a link to it down below. Like I said, I do not get any commission. So if you're interested in this, give it a whirl. I mean, it surprised me. I was disappointed with these so-called brushes. I'm disappointed with those. They are, but everything else is quite nice. It's nice to know I won't have dirty ears no more. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, go ahead and give it a thumbs down. If you don't mind, subscribe, share. But as I always say, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Please never forget it. I love you, each and every one. Y'all take care. Bye.